Now we'll start with question 3. As a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Zilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka-wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in words. 4 talukas are given: Kopargaon, Shivgaon, Karzat, Sangamner. So what the question says, as we all know, plastic is very hazardous to our environment. So to avoid plastic, Zilla Parishad school, what they have done, they have made paper bags and provided to the stores, greengrocers. So what they have given in the question, that they have distributed the paper bags taluka wise. So the numbers are given, we have to read that number and we have to write it in words. So first is Kopargaon. Number is given 12740. So we'll write here as place values as units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So we can read it now easily, that 12,740. So the Zilla Parishad school has given 12,740 paper bags in Kopargaon. So we'll write it in words. 12,740. Now second is Shivgaon. 28095. So we'll write the place values as units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it has become as 28,095. As hundreds place there is 0. So we are going to write it in words. $28,000 and 95. Now we'll write the third one, that is Karzat. It is having numbers as 31608. So we'll write the place value as units, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So it is become as 31,608. So now we are going to write it in words. 31,608. Now we'll write the fourth, Sangamner. It is having the words as numbers as 10972. So without writing the place value, we'll directly read it as 10,972. So now we are going to write it in words. 10,900 and 72. So with this we have done with question 3. Now we'll do question 4. How many rupees do they make? So question first is 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. So we have to add it and write the number, that how many rupees do they make. So first is 20 notes of 1000 rupees. So we will write here 20 notes of 1000 rupees. So 20 into 1000 is equals to how much? 20,000. Second, 5 notes of 100 rupees. 5 notes of 100 rupees. So we'll do here multiplication, 5 into 100. So we get 500. Then next 14 notes of 10 rupees. 10 rupees. So we'll write here 14 into 10. We get 140. Now we are going to add this. First is 20,000, 500 and 140. We'll do the addition. Here 0, 4, 6, 0, 2. So how many rupees they have made? So we'll write here 20640. So we'll write the place value as units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So we'll read it as 20,640. We have to write it in words. So we'll write here 20,640. So how many rupees they have made? 20,640. Now we'll start with question 2. Fill in the blanks in the table below. As you can see, the 3 columns are there. Devanagari numerals, international numerals, number written in words. So in the first column, the numbers which is given is in Devanagari form. In second, it is given as international numbers. And in the third, it is written in words, that is 2,359. So we have to fill the blanks. So you can see questions have been written in blue color. Now we'll write the answers with pink color. So column 1, it is given in Devanagari. We have to write in international as well as we have to write in words. So in Devanagari it is given as C. This is 3, 2, 7, 5 and 6. So it will become 32,756. So we'll write here 32,756. We'll write in words 32,756. Now we'll do the third. So 67,859. We have to write in Devanagari. So 6 is written like this, 7, 8, 5 and 9. So it will become 67,859. Now we'll write in words 67,859. Now we'll do the next fourth. Fourth is 1034. So we'll write here 1034. 1034. So we'll write in words 1000 and 34. Now we'll write the fifth. It is given in words 27,895. So we'll write here in English first, international numerals, that is 27,895. So we'll write here 2 7 8 9 5. It will become 27,895. So with this we have completed with second question of problem set 2. The questions I have written in blue color and the answers I have written in pink color. Now we'll do fourth question second. 15 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100 rupees, 8 notes of 10 rupees and 5 coins of 1 rupee. We are going to do it same as it is how we have done the first sum. So first we'll write 15 notes of 1000 rupees. So 15 into 1000. We'll get the answer as 15,000. Then second, 12 notes of 100 rupees. 12 notes of 100 rupees. We'll write here 12 into 100. 1200. Then next 8 notes of 10 rupees. 8 notes of 10 rupees. We'll write here 8 into 10. 80. And last 5 coins of 1 rupee. So we are going to do multiplication. 5 into 1 is equals to 5. Now we are going to add these numbers. $15,000 plus 1200 plus 80 plus 5. We'll do the addition. So it will become 5, 8, 2, 6 and 1. We get the number here. So we'll write it in words. 16285. We'll write here the place value, units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So we get how many rupees? 16,285. We'll write it in words. 16,285. So with this we have done problem set 2 till question 4.